10 pieces 3-volt common cathode, 2 colors LED like this. Bend all LED pins like this. Just a cardboard. Copper wire. So this copper wire is common anode 1, and this copper wire is common anode 2. Put each LED anode 1 to this copper wire and each anode 2 to this copper wire. Eighteen pins DIP IC socket like this. Bend pin 2 and pin 4 like this. Then bend all other pins like this. Connect pin 2, pin 4 and pin 8. I use copper wire to connect them. Just like this. Pin 2, pin 4 and pin 8. Connect pin 6 and pin 7. Put this resistor to pin 6 and pin 7 and this copper wire. Put this trim pot pin to pin 5. Connect this trim pot pin to this resistor or this copper wire. copper wire to connect this resistor. So this is positive and this is negative. Put this capacitor to collector and base, and this capacitor connect to collector here and base pin here. So as you can see, this is a flip-flop circuit. Put this anode diode pin to this collector and cathode pin to this base transistor. Then put this diode anode pin to this collector and the cathode pin to this base transistor. Just like so. The diode direction like this. Connect this diode to emitter pin on this transistor. Connect this diode to emitter pin. Diode direction. Connect pin 3 to this diode. Put this diode to this diode. Diode direction like this. Put this resistor to this diode. Copper wire. Put this diode pin to this copper wire and this to this resistor and this diode to this resistor. Put this electrolyte capacitor negative pin to this copper wire and this positive pin to this diode and resistor here. Put this electrolytic capacitor negative pin to this copper wire and positive pin to this resistor and diode. this electrolytic capacitor negative pin to this diode. Please pay attention to the diode direction like this. Put this diode pin to between this diode and this resistor. Then put this diode pin to between this diode and this resistor. Connect this diode pin to this trim pot pin. Pin 1. Connect this emitter pin to this copper wire and collector pin to this capacitor. Put this resistor and capacitor to collector pin and base pin. Put this resistor to collector. Connect this resistor to this copper wire. Put this capacitor to base pin. So this is audio input, left channel, right channel and ground. Connect pin 1 to this LED, pin 18 to this LED, pin 17 to this LED, pin 16 to this LED, pin 15 to this LED, pin 14 to this LED, pin 13 to this LED, pin 12 to this LED, pin 11 to this LED, pin 10 to this LED. Diode direction like this. Connect this diode to this copper wire. Connect pin 9 to this DP/DT switch. Bluetooth module. This cable connect to my speaker. This is Bluetooth output. Power supply for this Bluetooth module. Negative connect to here. Positive connect to here. This is left, ground and right. this cable from my power supply, 12 volt DC. Positive connect to here, negative connect to here.